how to connect Crunchyroll to your smart television. I'm going to show you how to connect your Crunchyroll account to your Samsung TV. First, make sure that your television is connected to the internet and then press home on your remote and go to Apps section. Now select the search icon and then type in Crunchyroll. And if it appears, click install, and once installed, open the app, sign in, and start watching. If Crunchyroll isn't available in the App Store, you can use AirPlay for iPhone or Smart View for Android to mirror your Crunchyroll from your phone. On your phone, swipe down to open the quick settings panel, tap Smart View or AirPlay on iPhone, and select your Samsung television. Now open the Crunchyroll app on your phone and it will display on your television. Another option is to connect to a Fire Stick, Roku, or a Chromecast to your Samsung television. Install Crunchyroll on that device and watch it from there instead.